When we speak, we are afraid that our words will not be heard or welcomed. But when we are silent, we are still afraid. So it is better to speak.
I want y'all to give that stage everything you got.
Yo, you can't miss the dopest party in your city. And this year, that dopest party is Brave New Voices, the largest international youth spoken word poetry slam festival in the world. Really, it's like the biggest party for poets in the world. And 500 young people from across the globe come out to rock out, spit poetry, light the mic on fire, participate in workshops. You gotta be there. And if you're not, then you just missed it. And for me, it's like almost what the world could look like if we all dedicated ourselves to art and loving each other.
Was I too loud? Be poet is to be phoenix. You gotta be reborn from the ashes after you set fire to this stage.
This stage is both sanctuary and emergency room. To we, artists of the revolution, I am still alive because whatever wants me dead does not know that you cannot kill somebody who isn't afraid anymore.
All y'all gotta do is give every single thing that you have back to the young people that are brave enough, that are transparent enough, that are honest enough to change the world.
My grandma said, come home, come home. I said, I need your voice. My grandma said, come home, come home. I said, I need your voice. I won't come home, I won't until you sing your songs. I won't come home, I won't until you sing your songs. Come home as you are, she said, come home as you are. All your family's waiting for you. They just want you as you are. I'll be right here waiting for you. Come home as you are. I'll be here with arms wide open. Come home as you are. Come home as you are, my lover. Come home as you are. Come home as you are, my lover. Come home as you are.